Hello, Phoenix.
I actually like my.
Hello, Phoenix. This is his first day in his new home. He's just exploring his new home.
Your friend will go, hey, my grandmother died.
I just let him out.
Oh, good.
It's all clean. Clean! That's the buzzword of the century. Clean! Clean! Clean, 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 clean. I'm a very clean man. I had a lot of things scattered yesterday, but now things are more organized. Oh yeah, all birds. You want to come cook with me? Do you want to come cook with me? Come here, come here. Come on. Whoop. Uh-oh, he went upside down. Yeah, he still doesn't know me. Yeah, he's just getting settled in here. Well, I got 2 things of water here for him.
A bad thing would happen, you know? What do you mean?
Well, and then those 2 things of water, and the other one I'm going to put in some juice for him. I'm going to give him, what kind of juice? I don't know. Mango juice? Mango juice?
And there's a guy beside me, a big fat guy, you know? And he's dressed like real rich, you know? He opened a big attaché case filled with $10,000 chips, pulls out like.
Oh, he's going for the water.
And he's going to bet on this boxer.
That's your bath. You're supposed to jump in there and have a bath, not drink out of it.
And it was a 4-1 underdog. So I said, I'm not going to bet my baseball bet. I'm going to bet on this 4-1 underdog, you know? Yeah, because this guy must know something. He's probably
okay. Well, I got some work to do here. I got some work to do, and I got to grind some ginger, and I'm making waffles. I got some leftover waffle mix here. And then I thought I'd have some bacon and eggs. And then I got rice and ground parmesan or something. My God, I'm going to have leftovers again. And then I got ginger beef and marinated cucumber and wonton soup. My eyes are much bigger than my stomach. Well, Abby's coming over later. He'll eat it. I know that. Yeah, he's thirsty. He hasn't found my drink containers yet. I bet he will like. Well, there's cranberry. I'm gonna give him some guava. That's my favorite. I love guava juice. But try and eat the fruit. Good luck with that. Like pomegranate. I'm running out of time. This thing I got from Fiji. I'm running out of time. I got that in Fiji too. Yeah, I got married in Fiji once on the beach. And one time I was on the beach in Tahiti, in Moorea. I'm running out of time.